Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really pretty smushy nail and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this white polish by Creative Play called I Blank Out, this pink by Salon Perfect called Good Vibes Only, and this bluish green by Finger Paints called The Mural of the Story. So I'm going to apply the colors onto a clear jelly stamper. You can use a flat surface, anything that you feel comfortable doing. I like to do this. It's really easy and quick, simple, something that I like to do. Then using another stamper, I'm going to mix the colors together. But as you can see, it broke apart. And that's because I didn't paint a white base coat and then apply the colors. I just did a quick and easy. I wanted to show you something quick and easy. Then using my Buitee Collections '01 nail plate, I'm going to apply a black stamping polish onto this abstract design. I just love this design. I've been waiting to use it and I'm so happy I did. I loved how it looked on top of the design of the smushy. It's just such a nice, cool look. Once I was done, I removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you like the smushy design as much as I love doing them. And I hope I made it easy and simple for you guys to recreate, of course, if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.